All right, tubes in 2 bits. My boy Round said, man, we bleeding them out over here on this content, bro. He said, we bleeding them out on it, bro. They need more. Feed more. So I got my boy back in the hills.
What up?
Y'all know what it is. Knuckle busters on the 1s and 2s. So we back on this Regal, the T-Type, right? So check it. We got the Dakota Digital VHXs. But today's mission is to get this tank from my guys over at Tanks Inc. Get this thing installed. And doggone Round and went about some radiator hose for fuel hose here. There's some big ass hose.
You see why though?
Oh my goodness. But hey, we must need it if he got it. Ain't no way around it. He ain't on the bull. He ain't on the BS type. So we got the brand new tanks for Tanks Inc., man. Brand new sending unit, brand new fuel pump, brand new lines. And all of that got the feed. You can see the old one here. That big dusty, rusty thing, man. This thing been in there since what year this is?
87, man.
Since 84. Since 84. But yeah. Dash out, finna get wrapped. Like I said, man, we've been marking up the vintage air for this sucker. We got to cut some of the dash out on the back to get everything to fit in here, man. We was running into a few little minor issues where we had to stop, so we had to order a cross member. We had to notch the firewall in the back there for the motor to sit back up in there. Oh my goodness, man. It's been in and out, man. We done pulled this thing in and out 3 or 4 times trying to get the fitment just right where these headers will go on and clear like he needed to be. So finally got all that in, man. We're waiting on the custom cross member to come back. So then he's can hook up this what this is, the fuel
regulator.
Fuel regulator. So the fuel regulator. And you can see we need big fuel for this sucker here. So after that, we'll be running all of the AC lines, heat exchanger, and plugging and playing all of the wire harness. We'll drill a 4-inch hole in the back before we put the dash and all back in. Radiator, and what these go to?
Your radiators go to your heat exchanger.
Heat exchanger. So the heat exchanger and the
pump and the reservoir.
The pump in the reservoir, the coolant reservoir, right. Too much shit with all of this here, man. That's why I just want simple.
Too easy.
So, man, he going to get all of that, man, start running all of the hoses, get everything connected, check for leaks, get this bad boy running here in the next week or 2. And, man, see if this thing here smoke these tires, man. See if we can smoke these tires off of here. These 4Gs. Come on, man. You know I keep the rim lady working. And like I say, man, we're going to finish deleting the rest of this chrome here. And we're going to do a fresh all back paint job over this sucker, man. It's time for a scuff and re-clear. Reshoot and re-clear, man. Get this thing back all fresh. As you can see, this LS9 setup. This LS9 setup with the CVF pulley kit from my guys over at CVF, man. Big shout out to them. It's always one of my big sponsors. They always show us love, so. Like I say, this one here is history. We're going to use this neck round?
Nah, I got one already. I know one. There you go.
How's the doggone, what's the name?
Got a big rubber and everything for it.
How the, what's the name?
With the neck?
No, the gas tank. You know the cap always be a damn problem. Will it screw on this one?
Let's try that. How about it?
Oh, man. Say no more. Say no more.
Custom paint job on it.
Yeah. Okay. Easy enough. Easy enough. So he going up with the tank, man. Hopefully we can put some gas in there and it don't drop out on the floor. And, man, this thing here on go. We are going to do some coilovers on the back, though. We're going to do some coilovers on the back and the front. I want the stance just right on this one here. So that's that on that, man. I'm going to let him get on the ground Well, he doing what he do, so that's what it is, man. Y'all see it? LS9. That's a 9. It's up from here, man. Shout out to my guy TA, man. He always show us love. So after that, man, this thing here ready for the streets. So in the meantime, in between time, man, y'all hold it in the road, man. Stay out them ditches, man. Like I say, man, we did this interior, sheesh, 5, 6 years ago. He keep it clean. I'm gonna build a new console for it as well. I got to build a new console for it, man. Got to bring him up to speed. I got to bring my boy up to speed on this one here. Say we definitely got the decoders in that BIM box to read all of the sensors. Man, if you don't, one thing I will suggest when you do these gauges and you got an LS is the BIM box.
The cheat code, man.
That BIM 01-2. Man, it reads everything off your computer, man. This is one of the best things since sliced bread. I would highly recommend that. Man, hell with running all of them sensors and running the wires in. Man, look, you hook up 3 wires. What is it? Left signal, right signal, and fuel.
High beam if you're feeling fancy.
High beam if you're feeling fancy. Other than that, that's about dead on net, baby. We're going to definitely run duals on this. What we need on here? 2.5?
2.5.
2.5.
Keep it classy.
Of course, MagnaFlows. You know we like that MagnaFlow sound. It's just our preference. Hey, you go with what you want. I'm sure it's something out there better. But we like the way they sound. We like the way they perform. And hey, and we can pick them up locally here at the supply store. Uh-oh. You ratchet strapping. Ratchet strapping. So it should fit right up under the factory straps.
Yes, sir. There's some ugly lines.
Oh, that old stuff.
Yeah.
How much horsepower you think? You know, that's one of the biggest questions.
I'm gonna get a cool, smooth. I'm gonna say 650, maybe 700.
Ooh.
Smooth.
Ooh.
With 2.5 sounding normal.
Boy, that's trucking in this little mug.
Yeah, got a built ring, got a built 480 behind it. She ready for it. She should put it down.
We do got a 4L80 in here, ain't
Sure
it?
do, man.
Okay.
Sure do. Yeah. Yeah, I can see us making 650, 700 on a good day.
Say no more. Nice tune. Y'all know who my tune guy is.
Hello.
I met him a few years ago. But that's dead on that, man. Like you said, man, I'm gonna build him a new console. This one here just, you know, it's just outdated, man. It's time for an upgrade, you know. And we're gonna lock it in and go from there. So y'all watch out for the illegal regal in a minute.